Welcome back to another SPACEGASS video tutorial. Today's video is a quick demo of how to convert a member to a fully meshed plate with openings. To convert a member to plates, select the member, right-click, select Member Tools, and click on Convert to Plates. On the plate generated, select the node that will be the central node to generate the shape for the opening. Right-click, select Node Tools, click on Generate Shape, select Circle, and set the radius to 0.1 meter. Now repeat the process to generate a rectangular opening. To copy the shapes along the member, select the members of the generated shape. Right-click, select Copy, and click on a long line. For this example, let us make 2 copies of the generated shapes. Next, select all the plates. Right-click and then select Mesh Tools, followed by Mesh Plates Advanced. Make sure to click the Include Hardline Members and select graphically the members around the generated shapes. To delete the plates within the generated shapes, select the members around the generated shapes. Right-click and click Select Plates Bounded by Members and click Delete. Now, delete the members around the openings to create a perfectly meshed plate with openings at the desired locations.